The ousting of Nestlé CEO Laurent Freixe was not just a leadership change, it became a global talking point in the business world. This decision highlights the critical importance of corporate culture and ethical values that Nestlé has long upheld. Freixe had been with Nestlé since 1986, climbing the ranks over decades and becoming a familiar and trusted figure within the company. However, after serving only 1 year as CEO, an internal investigation revealed that he had violated the company's ethical guidelines. The details of the investigation are striking. Initially, allegations emerged about a secret romantic relationship with a subordinate, detected through Nestlé's internal compliance channels. While Freixe initially denied the claims, a more thorough investigation conducted by an independent external law firm confirmed the relationship. This situation not only impacted Freixe's career, but also posed a reputational risk for Nestlé. As a global company serving millions of consumers, any unethical behavior from its CEO could have directly undermined the brand's trustworthiness. The company's decision to remove him underscores that leadership is as much about ethical integrity as it is about business performance. Philipp Navratil, appointed as Freixe's successor, brings extensive experience from Nestlé's Nespresso brand and is expected to maintain both financial stability and cultural integrity. This leadership transition demonstrates Nestlé's proactive approach not only in crisis management, but also in safeguarding its corporate values. Another important dimension of this case is the message it sends about power dynamics in the workplace. Even a CEO is not exempt from the company's ethical standards. This sends a strong signal to all employees that, regardless of seniority or position, corporate values and ethical standards apply equally to everyone. Considering Freixe's long career and contributions to Nestlé, his removal might be seen as a tragic turn. Yet the company's decisive action prioritizes corporate culture and ethical standards over financial or operational achievements. This case serves as a powerful reminder that in the corporate world, leadership is measured not only by management skills, but also by character and ethical integrity.